Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming power and Wi-Fi for the Google Home because the device must be online to pair. Once done, open the App Store, install or update the Google Home app, and sign in with your Google account. This links settings and devices. Make sure Bluetooth is on and grant location permission when prompted, since the app uses Bluetooth to detect nearby speakers. If you follow these prerequisites now, discovery and setup will proceed smoothly without repeating earlier steps. You tap the plus icon, choose Setup Device, and then New Devices to begin discovery. The app scans via Bluetooth and local network. When your Google Home appears, select it and listen for the audible prompt. This confirms a proper device. Next, verify the short setup code shown on your iPhone matches the device code. This prevents pairing mistakes. Then pick the correct Wi-Fi network, assign a room for grouping, and decide whether to enable voice match or personal results to customize responses. You finish setup by running Google Assistant voice training and reviewing privacy and notification settings so responses match your expectations. Once complete, test simple commands like, "Hey Google, play music," or ask for the time to confirm the connection and audio output. If things go wrong, start troubleshooting. Reboot the Google Home, toggle Wi-Fi, and restart your iPhone to clear transient issues. If repeated failures persist, perform a factory reset on the speaker and repeat the setup, but reserve that as.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.